This is Leonard Boyer of Boyer Coffee Enterprises, Inc., located in Clifton, New Jersey, and we're coming to you tonight to offer you something very special. Each year you get certain checkups, but I bet you haven't had a business checkup. But before we get into the substance of this video, take a moment and listen to these housekeeping tips. First of all, this is not legal advice. This is for education and informational purposes only, and hopefully you'll find this a little entertaining as well. I'm from New York originally, so I use my hands. Even though I'm Jewish, it's like an Italian. We use our hands. Anyway, in a serious note, you have an annual physical, and you have an annual dental checkup, and you have an annual checkup of your eyes so you can see and you stay healthy and do your best to stay healthy, especially in these times. But we're not talking about politics here. We're talking about you and your business. I'd like to give you a free business checkup, absolutely no obligation. You have to call Boyer Coffee Enterprises at 973-798-6131 for your free business checkup. And if you stay till the end of this video and contact me and leave me your comments and the name of your business, I'll send you your free 10-page PDF checklist of things you need to know for when we meet with you to go over your business. Now, undoubtedly, these last 2 years have been very trying times, and the whole way people do business is different. But I'm here to help you. I'm here to hold you accountable. You're too close to your business. Your business is like your baby. You cannot objectively look at your business the same way I can. I can almost guarantee you don't know your numbers. You don't know what your numbers should be. You may not know what's working and what's not working. I'm here to help you determine that. I'm here to help you, when you meet with me, eliminate what's working and what's not. We're going to go over the numbers. And we also offer, for those people who are interested, a business coaching program so that you can be held accountable and have someone to talk to when you have problems with your business. Now, let's face it, a lot of people will tell you, oh, you can't do this or you can't do that. We were all sold a bill of goods as kids. I don't know about you, but when I went to school, I was told as a kid, go to school, get good grades so you can get a good job. Well, I'm here to tell you there are no good jobs. And when you get a college education, you spend countless money just to know how to pass a standardized test. What good is a standardized test in running your business? How much junk did you learn? I mean, I'm an attorney. I learned all sorts of things in law school that I knew I'd never practice. Law school was to teach me how to argue either side of a case, as well as to know how to prepare legal pleadings to a certain extent. But college, like law school, didn't teach you about the business that you're going to be in. It didn't teach you marketing. It didn't teach you how to advertise. It didn't teach you how to pivot and be aware of changes as they were coming down the pipe. Those businesses that took advantage of Internet 2.0 and the knowledge revolution not only survived, but they thrived. But you don't have to be a digital business to survive and thrive in this modern era. We'll help you, whether you're a mom and pop store or a Fortune 1000 company or anything in between, or even if you don't have a company, if you just have a side hustle, you need to have a business checkup. And I'm here to offer you a business checkup absolutely free, a 45-minute consultation, no obligation to do anything further. You have an obligation to your family and the people that depend on you to make sure that your business is successful as possible. I'm not emotionally involved in your business. You are. I'm going to look at it with the objective eyes of a third party. I'm going to ask you the tough questions that you have to answer. You don't have to tell me the answers. You have to tell yourself the answers. And if you need additional help, talk to us. We can help you. But once again, this is legal information and entertainment, hopefully. I'm not the most entertaining guy in the world. If I was a good entertainer, I'd be a stand-up comic and I wouldn't be practicing law. But I'm here to help you. So come see me before the next snowstorm. That's Boyer Coffee Enterprises, located in Clifton, New Jersey. And we have a second office in Maplewood, New Jersey. We can't find you, but you can find us. And if you leave your name and your business information in the comments section below, as soon as it's available, we're going to get out our 10-page PDF to you so you can be equipped not only for the consultation, but for future business purposes. Once again, this is legal entertainment and information only. In order to have legal advice, you need to set up a strategy session with our office and have an in-person or secured video conference. That's not what this is. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want me to make other videos about business, by all means, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good evening.